Here we have a beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Corvette convertible 427 car. This is a numbers matching 427, 390 horse. And wow, does she look good. Car's obviously been repainted in its lifetime and it's looking good. This paint job, as you go around it, you will see is nice and shiny. Very fresh looking, although it's been done for several years. It sure doesn't look it. 4-speed transmission in this car, which, I mean, you got to have that, right? These chrome bumper Corvettes really came on in popularity here in the last 5 to 10 years. Their popularity and values continue to climb. And when you see an example like this, it's easy to see why. I might point out the rally wheels on this car are the 7-inch Corvette rallies. A lot of guys sometimes throw on the 8-inch wides, but you can tell the 7-inch wides. I'll show you here with the trim ring how it goes in all the way to the steel wheel in the back. There's not a gap there. That's one kind of quick and easy way to tell. Moving inside to this car, get the door opened up here. Very nice interior. Everything's looking crisp and sharp in there. Now the odometer reads 89,000 some miles. Tach is over there. All the factory gauges are there. Factory stereo. Console. This is a nice unmolested car. There's not a whole bunch of extra aftermarket stuff done to it or anything like that. It's a pretty honest car. Now you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Give you one more look there. All right. I'm gonna fire it up and open the hood for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, we've got her running. As stated before, this car still has its numbers matching 427 390 horse engine. It's nice and tidy. Mostly correct equipment still under the hood. And that beautiful 427 hood with the power bulge in it. Here you can see vacuum actuators there for the lights. One thing I want to point out, these Corvettes are known for having stress cracks in the fiberglass and things like that, and it usually shows up in this area here. But if you walk with me here, you'll see the fiberglass is in great shape. There's no cracks where they at the stress point areas like around in here, down by the headlights, things like that. Now again, you can see all the still pictures on the website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There'll be pictures on there with the top up. See that? Top's in good condition as well. Check out the website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered. Financing is available, as well as extended warranty to protect your purchase.